Puntahan naman po natin itong yung Independent People's Commission. So, maraming nabibitin dito po sa kapangyarihan na meron itong ICI. And isa po kayo sa medyo matagal na po nag-iingay doon sa kawalan po ng pangil nitong ICI. So, again, what are the chances then, since the President said that he would want Congress to prioritize this piece of legislation that would come up with a commission that can actually go after corruption? What are the chances na lulusot po ito? Marami sa mga binubusisi kasama niyo po sa Kongreso.
Tingin ko, of all the priorities na sinabi ni Pangulo, ay ito yung dapat may sa batas na at least ma-approve ng House of Representatives bago magpasko. Kasi kayang gawin. Kabahagi ako ng committee na yan na nagsuri nito. Na-involved din ako sa technical working group. Natapos na namin yung aming work more than 2 weeks ago. So we have been waiting really and asking, palagi namin fina-follow up ito sa House leadership. Nasaan na ang itong Independent Commission Against Infrastructure Corruption? Dapat, if they're really serious, we will know by next week. Kung hindi pa yan umabot sa plenary by Monday or Tuesday, then it's not gonna pass before Christmas.
Kahit binanggit na Malacanang, no, na one of the priorities.
Yun nga kaya kami talagang araw-araw, yun ang una namin tinatanong pagpasok namin. Ano nang nangyayari? Kailan ba naka-calendar na ba to? Nasa order of business ba to? Kaya dapat andun siya. At surely we will complain kung hindi pa rin ito gumagalaw by next week.
So basically nasa committee level pa rin po siya.
I understand it's in the Committee on Appropriations. From there, dapat mabilis na yan. Pag dumaan na sa kanila, the Committee on Rules should already include it in the order of business at the plenary.
Tsaka medyo weird po yan kung hindi maisusulong yan dahil ito yung supposedly sinasabi niya, presidente mismo yung whistleblower nito. Diba? He would only want, of course, he would want a stronger body to help him go after the corrupt, hindi po ba?
Yes, and we really need an independent commission created by Congress.
Yeah.
Because that the power, for example, to hold persons in contempt, to compel people and documents to be produced, ang Congress lang ang pwedeng magbigay niyan. And then the power as well. Actually, may isang provision diyan na talagang pinush ko ito yung recognizing the right of whistleblowers to testify, to preserve their testimony immediately. Kasi ganito nangyayari, Christian. You have a whistleblower, whether it's Ghost Project or other anomalies. Then, naging araw-araw, pinapanood natin siya tumestigo sa Senate o sa House. But the actual criminal case does not happen until years later.
Yes.
In the meantime, nag-iintay yung whistleblower. Mag-iintay yan ng buwan-buwan, mag-iintay ng taon-taon. Minsan, 5 taon yan o 10 taon bago dumating yung trial. In the meantime, anong mangyayari sa buhay niya? Mag-iintay lang siya sa safe house. There's a big problem with that. So, ang ginawa namin, naglagay kami ng provision recognizing the right of a whistleblower to petition a court. Please record my testimony already. Lahat ng mga babanggitin ko na sangkot dyan can cross-examine me. And once that procedure happens, even if the trial takes place years later, nando na, I don't have to be there anymore. Nakapagtestigo na ako, na-cross-examine na ako, pwede nang gamiting ebidensya to. This is, to me, one big step forward kung may sa batas natin ito.
Ganda nga yan, no? Kasi maraming iba tinatabangan na rin, di ba? Iba atras, iba tatakutin. So ito basically pag nakapag-testify na.
O pinatay, o kaya nag-abroad, hindi na mahanap. So this way, habang mainit pa yung issue, nakapag-testigo na sila, magiging part of the record na sa trial yan.